Assalamualaikum. My name is Reza Amaris. Today I am going to present my slides. Let's watch my slides. So here is my slides. Now I will present it to you guys. Computing monthly assignment by me, Reza Amaris. Hello everyone. My name is Reza Amaris. I read in class 3. Our computer monthly assignment was to make a PowerPoint presentation and explain what hardware and software is. So what is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical component of a computer or electronics device that you can touch and see. It includes external parts like the CPU, central processing unit, which acts as the brain, RAM, random access memory, which stores data temporarily, and hard drives or SSDs, which stores files and programs. External hardware includes devices like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and speakers. All these parts work together to make the computer or device function, allowing you to run programs, access information, and interact with the system. Without hardware, there would be no use to use software, no way to use software. Here are some bullet points about hardwares. You can touch it. Input or output hardwares are the computer parts you can touch. The casing it resides in or the keys you press. It makes it things. Inside the processor is a tiny chip that is a CPU. This is computer's brain that processes information. Functionality. Hardware is responsible for performing all the physical tasks in a computer, such as processing data, storing information, and communication with other devices. There are two main types of hardware. Internal hardware like the motherboard, CPU, RAM, etc. External hardware like keyboard, monitors, and printer. Software refers to the digital programs and instructions that tells the computer what to do. It is not something you can touch like hardware, but it is essential for the computer to function. Software includes system software like operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, which manage the computer's hardware and software. It also includes application software such as web browser, games, word processor, and media players, which allows users to perform specific tasks. All the software runs on a hardware, helping users interact with their devices. Without software, hardware would have no instructions and would not be able to function. Here are some bullet points about software. You can touch it. Software is not a physical component of the computer. It consists of digital instruction that tells hardware what to do. It makes it work. The operating system and application helps the computer function, allowing users to browse the internet, play games, or edit documents. Types and users. System software manages hardware while applications software users helps user complete tasks like writing, designing, or communicating online. Types of software. There are four main types of software. Operating system OS, the most important software that manages hardware and other programs. Example includes Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Application softwares program designed for user to perform tasks like browsing, gaming, or editing documents. Example includes Google, Chrome, Microsoft Word, and Photoshop. Utility software helps maintain, optimize, and protect the system. Example include antivirus software, disk cleanup tool, and backup software. Programming software used by developers to create new softwares. Example includes Python, Java, and C++ compilers. Conclusions of hardware and software. In conclusion, system and devices rely on hardware and software to function. Hardware refers to the physical component that can be touched or seen, like CPU, RAM, keyboard, etc. Software is everything that is not hardware. The the digital platforms and instruction that provides the hardware, the need to complete an operation. Software requires hardware to exist to possess something on which to operate. Hardware requires software because without instruction it is just a physical component. Thus, hardware and software are equally essential, and without one, the functioning of computers and devices would be compromised for even simple or complex projects. Understanding this distinction between these components helps one understand how system and other digital devices work, function. Analogy. Hardware is the car. It includes the engine, CPU, wheels, storage, dashboard, monitor, and other physical parts that make up the vehicle. And software is the driver. It controls how the car operates, decides where to go, and gives instruction to make everything function smoothly. Without a driver, software and the car hardware wouldn't move or function properly. Without a car, the driver would have no way to travel. Both are essential for the system to work. Thank you for watching and listening to my presentation. I am Aris buzzing out.